Hello, welcome back to Political. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky and exciting questions together. Thank you for doing that. So today we are looking at this rectangle triangle. We have it in n cubed and n squared. We are looking for n out of n. So as you can see, with this, here is my hypotenuse. Here is the adjacent. Here is the opposite. Okay. So in this, I can move it by using the Pythagoras theorem. And so we say that the longest side squared, so n power 3 all squared is equal to the summation of the two shortest sides, which is n squared plus n all squared. Okay, so this is what we are going to use. So now in this we are going to get n exponent 3 times 2, which is equal to n exponent 2 times 2 plus n exponent 2. On this one, we are going to get n exponent 6, which is equal to n exponent 4 plus n exponent 2. Now we have to send all of this to one side. So equal to n exponent 6 minus n exponent 4 minus n exponent 2 is equal to 0. Now, this one is a formula. N exponent 2 outside, n exponent 4 minus n exponent 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, you can also say that n exponent 2 is equal to 0 as case 1, then n exponent 4 minus n squared minus 1 is equal to 0 as case 2. So let's solve this one first. So in this case, n is equal to 0. Now, let's analyze this. When n is equal to 0, you know this is a rectangle triangle. It means that n can never be 0. Okay? N can never be 0. So we say that we reject. So n is not equal to 0. So we reject. Rejected. Now let's tackle the case 2. With this, you can let y is equal to n squared and y squared to be equal to n exponent 4. So our equation now becomes y squared minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, our a is 1, b is equal to negative 1, c is also equal to negative 1. So our y is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac all on 2a. So y is equal to negative into negative 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 all squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by negative 1 all over 2 multiplied by 1. So our y is equal to, this one will give us 1 plus or minus square root of 1, this one will be 4 on 2. Okay, so our y is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 all over 2. Okay, so now with this we have y is equal to, so to the positive side we are going to get 1 plus root of 5 on 2, and then y is equal to 1 minus root of 5 on 2. Now, with this, we know that we are dealing with length. So we can not let n to be negative. So it means that n is positive since we are dealing with length. Okay, measurement here. So we reject this negative side and focus with the positive side. So we say that our y is equal to 1 plus root 5 on 2. Now, in our solution, we said that y is equal to n squared. Okay, we said y is equal to n squared. So now we are saying that y is equal to n squared. Okay, so y, and now y is this one. So we say that 1 plus root 5 on 2 is equal to n squared. It's equal to n squared. So now we take square root of both sides. With this one, we'll cancel this. So now we are going to get n is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 plus square root of 5 all on 2. Now, as we said earlier, the n can never be negative, so we focus on the positive side of the case. So we say that our n is equal to square root of 1 plus root of 5 all on 2. Okay, so with this, you can leave it like this, or when you punch your calculator, I'm going to get n is equal to 1.272. Okay, so this is our answer for n. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tricky and excited questions. Bye bye.